Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your account with VidGenie AI. First of all, here we are at app.vidgenie.ai and we are logged in. And if you go to your settings, which is down here at the bottom left hand corner, or you can find your settings also up at the top right hand corner with the three dots here. If you look around, you are not going to find any information here related to deleting your account. I did a search here through all the options and that does not appear. So usually when that's the case, that is an indication that you're going to need to contact support in order to request an account deletion. So for whatever reason, if you just want to completely delete your account and you don't want it to be active on VidGenie anymore, then I was able to find the information here to contact VidGenie. So what you're going to want to do is contact them at support@vidgenie.ai. And you can find that information under the terms of service. But there's other places that you might be able to find that as well. But essentially, you're going to be contacting support@vidgenie.ai and requesting an account deletion. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.